In this video, I'm going to show you how to create animated GIFs of yourself with two things, your phone and Canva. But before we do, if you're new here, my name is Laressa, aka Lat the R-E-S-S-A, and this is a place on the internet where I help fellow real estate brothers and sisters keep it real estate so you can become that real estate agent. So if that sounds like your vibe, then please hit subscribe. To begin this tutorial, we first need to create video clips of ourselves, so roll the clip. Alright friends, this is where things get fun. So if you're extra like me, I have a tripod here, and then my phone attached, and then a ring light. Now you can very well get away with having someone film you, and just make sure that you have adequate lighting. Now one thing that's very important to note here is that you want to be up against a blank wall. That way it will make it easy for Canva to do its job by removing the background, which we will get into. Next thing is that when you are filming yourself, you want to make sure that you are fully in framed, so an arm isn't cut off or a shoulder isn't cut off, or else it will make your GIF sticker look a little bit strange. So at this point, all we need to do is to grab 3 to 5 second clips of you in video doing whatever you want to do, and then we can go straight to Canva. So let's start. Make sure you press pause, stop, and that's all we have to do. And let's go to my phone and Canva. Let's go. So once we have our clips filmed, we can now go in and clip this down a little bit more so it makes it easier for us in Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit this edit up here, and I'm going to position this probably right here and pull this down just like that. Something like that. Okay, that looks great. I'm going to hit done. Now you can save this as video or save video as new clip to be safe, which I'm going to do. Next thing, we are going to go into the mobile app of Canva. Now for this, what I recommend for the doc type is to just go into social media here. And in this case, because I filmed in the vertical format, I'm just going to grab the Instagram story. And then let's go ahead and open up a blank one. Now from here, we can upload our video. So go into uploads, upload file, photo, photo library. And then grab this here and hit add and give it time to just upload. I'm just going to keep current selection. Now, once you have that upload, you can continue to remain in the mobile app of Canva, but if you know me, I am a use Canva on desktop kind of girly, so I'm gonna go into my computer here, and because we are using Canva on this same account, whatever you do will be synced. So if I give this page a quick refresh, and if I scroll down, we should see this new untitled design, which we just created just now. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and then if we go into our uploads here, we will then see and hit video here, we will then see the video clip we just imported from our phone into the Canva app. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Now you can make it fill up the screen, set as background. And then at this point, what we are going to do, if you wanted to just make sure you have the right clipping, you can go into trim and make sure you go ahead and trim whatever you need to, but we already did that inside our native camera app there. Now in this case, we need to go into edit video, and I should have prefaced this from the beginning. You will actually need Canva Pro to use the tools that I'm about to show you, but don't worry, scan this code here to try Canva Pro for 30 days free. With that said, I'm going to click the background remover. Now this should be relatively fast because this clip is literally a second long. It's a second and 0.3 seconds long. Again, I said use 3 to 5 second clips, but I found that that little portion there was perfect for me. So there we go. It should be, it's almost there, 90%, 90%, 90%. A little bit more. Give it a second. Usually it's pretty fast, but it might be just my internet that's a little bit slow. So I'm going to give this a quick playback. And we can see that Canva has done a pretty decent job of removing the background. Again, I think it helps with the fact that I was up against just a blank wall, so it makes again, a little bit easy for Canva to remove that background. So once that is how you like it, you can, let's see here, you can detach it from the background and actually just make this fill up the whole thing here. Make sure you're not cut off. A little bit too big. Like that. And then at this point, I'm going to show you two ways to download this. I'm going to show you right now on desktop and then how to do it on the mobile app. So if we go to the share button here, click on that, we need to go to download and change the file type from MP4 video file to GIF. So click that. And then because this file is pretty big, what I recommend is to actually pull this down to make sure that it's not so big, or else the file size will just be massive. And then the new feature that we have with Canva is now to be able to download our GIFs with a transparent background. Again, this is a Canva Pro feature, but I have been waiting for this day and it has finally come. So thank you, Canva. So I'm going to turn this on and then just go ahead and hit download. Now let's go back into my phone here, and because this was the same doc type, if I just pull this down, you'll see now that we have my image here with the video pulled out, or sorry, the background removed. Now we can go in and download this. So let's go into this upper corner here and then go to download. And then again, change the file type from MP4 to GIF. Then I'm going to pull this down so the file size is small. And then go ahead and hit transparent background and download. Now let's go back into my computer here, and because I want to show you what the GIF looks like on the desktop here. So again, I'm going to go and just scooch over here. This is the GIF that we created. So if I just click on or select the GIF and if I hit the space bar on my keyboard, it will pull the GIF just like that. And keep in mind, I do work on an Apple and Mac system, so that's what that would look like. Looks pretty good, huh? So let's go back into our phones so I can show you what that GIF would look like and then how to use it on your Instagram story. Let's go into our gallery here, and this is the GIF that we created, exported from Canva. Now essentially, because I am an iPhone user, I don't know how to do this on Android, but if you're an iPhone user, go and click your image here. Let me actually turn this on so you can see what I'm doing. Go to this three dots here and hit copy. And now with that, we're going to go into Instagram, go to your Instagram story, and I'm just going to take a random photo. And then if you hit on screen, and if you just hit where your cursor is and just hit paste, your GIF pops up. Ta-da! You have a GIF of yourself. Does that not look glorious? Really easy to use. And if you are an Android user and you do this method, please let us know in the comments down below how to copy your GIF from your photo library and then use it on your Instagram stories. But with that said, that is it for this video. If you made it to the end of this video, then you know what it is, you know what to do. Yeah, comment down below, #AndCrew, so I know you are indeed a real one. And if you want to learn more about GIFs and how to make your own profile image GIF, then check out this video right over here. And if you're ready, get ready to click in 3, 2, 1.